Like 70 doing makeup tutorial. Won't look that good when I'm doing it. I'm just gonna do makeup and then do it. Good. Should be better. Shadow. Let's go. Close. Huge. Shadow. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
Are you happy?
No, I'm just bored.
Bored? How about we go walk the dogs in the morning, yeah?
Yeah.
Obviously, your dog's out in the snow tomorrow.
What if it does?
What did you say?
He said stay up, General Sasuke.
He said what?
He said stay up, General Sasuke. Bye.
So you will be, Stacey?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good?
Yeah. Dad, we forgot something.
What's that?
What about Monday?
Well, that's going to surprise you! Oh, you've ruined your surprise now.
Okay.
I'm setting up for you, that's what I'm doing.
Shelley, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I know what we're doing.
Be patient, wait.
That is enough. This one.
But you still can play it, straight out of school.
Okay. Thank you for watching. I will be doing another video. Goodbye.
What's that? It was cool.